Welcome viewers in Madhuri Kachwe's Learn English YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about change the voice. In my previous video, we learned about tenses and their types. I hope so you understand that thing very well. If you understand tense chapter, so you can comment me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to learn about type of voices. So there are two types of voice. First one that is active voice and second one that is passive voice. यालाच मराठीमध्ये ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसला कर्तरी प्रयोग म्हणतात तर पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसला कर्मणी प्रयोग म्हणतात. In English it is known as active voice and passive voice. Okay, so in active voice subject is actively involved, so we can say subject is important. ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसमध्ये सब्जेक्ट खूप महत्त्वाचा असतो. सब्जेक्ट वाक्य कुठलंही ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसचा सब्जेक्टने स्टार्ट होतं. इन पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस ऑब्जेक्ट इज इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज द सेंटेन्स इज स्टार्ट विथ ऑब्जेक्ट. आय होप सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस अँड पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. फर्स्ट टेन्स वाईज वी विल लर्न दॅट थिंग. सो in simple present tense, all tenses, these are the example of active voice, like simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, all 12 tense, these are the example of active voice. Only 8 tense we can convert into passive voice. So today we will learn about the active voice and passive voice and the examples. Firstly, active voice, in active voice simple present tense, that is 10 structures, subject plus v1 plus object. For example, she reads a book. This is the example of active voice of simple present tense. Now we will see how we can convert that sentence into passive voice. Firstly, we will see the structure of passive voice of simple present tense. Simple present tense passive voice structure, that is object plus am is are plus verb third form plus by plus s square. Okay, so see, we will convert this sentence we will convert into passive voice. She reads a book. This is a object, this is verb and that is subject. In passive voice, how we can convert that thing? See, firstly we should have to take object, a book, and related with that object we should have to choose helping verb, that is, because this sentence is this is singular object, so that's why we choose here is. And then verb third form, that is read. Spelling is same but the pronunciation is different. A book is read by her. This is s square. S square means subject's second form. Okay, now third one, then second tense, that is present continuous tense. The active voice structure of present continuous tense, that is s plus am is are plus verb fourth form plus object. We learned this present continuous tense in our tense chapter. I hope so you understand that thing. She is reading a book. This is an active voice example of present continuous tense. Now how we can convert that thing into passive voice? Firstly we will see the structure. Listen viewers, you should have to learn or recite the structure, then you can convert the sentence very easily. The passive voice structure of present continuous tense, that is object plus am is are plus being plus verb third form plus by plus s square. Same example is there, we should have to convert into passive voice. A book is being read by her. A book is being read by her. That is the passive voice example of present continuous tense. Now next one, that is present perfect tense. The active voice structure of present perfect tense, this is tense, like s plus have has plus verb third form plus object. For example, she has read a book. Now passive voice structure of present perfect tense, that is object plus have has plus been plus v3 plus by plus s square. The example of that thing, that is a book, we are taking same example for your better understanding. A book has been read by her. This is read, but the pronunciation is different because this is verb third form. A book has been read by her. Now last one, that is present perfect continuous tense. All perfect continuous tense we can't convert into passive voice. So here we can write can't change, otherwise no change. Thanks for watching.